back on this Tuesday morning. So we're going to continue with some lake effect rain today. That lake effect rain will start to taper off for the midweek. So basically tomorrow and on Thursday. However, we're not done with the rain. It is going to be a wet week. So we are going to have a round of widespread rain Friday extending into Saturday. But in the meantime, we are remaining below normal with ranges of 8 to about 13 degrees below normal. Our highs are set to be into the 40s. We're supposed to be at 55, topping off near 50 degrees along Lake Michigan. It'll be coolest along the Wisconsin state line with some lower 40s there. Otherwise, elsewhere, we'll have ranges of mid to upper 40s this afternoon. A lot of that cool air is coming in out of Canada as that stubborn area of low pressure in the jet stream still hovers over eastern Ontario as it gradually moves into parts of Quebec. It's also concentrated with a second area of low pressure at the surface. There's an area of low pressure off the west coast currently. That's going to be our next weather maker that will impact us at the end of this work week, bringing in that widespread rain on Friday, extending into Saturday as it tracks just across the southern Great Lakes. Right now at the surface, there's that area of low pressure, the one that's been bringing in that very fall-like pattern and some rounds of some rain and lake effect rain, which right now is increasing across a good chunk of our interior western counties and the central UP along the Wisconsin state line. Here's the hour by hour. We're going to see that big swath continue to track south and southeast here this morning. And then it's a lake effect rain along the northwest wind belts extending to the afternoon, overnight, tomorrow morning, still some around into tomorrow afternoon. And then on Thursday, just some spotty rain showers as the wind flow shifts and becomes more northeasterly as compared to the northwesterly winds that we're still dealing with. So with that being said, just be mindful as you are driving. We're starting to get some leaves coming down, and your stopping distance is going to take a lot longer. When you're going about 40 miles per hour and you're traveling over some wet leaves, your stopping distance is at about 250 feet. As far as rainfall for the additional couple of days here through basically early Friday morning, not a whole lot, less than 1/4 of an inch, but watch what happens. That second system bringing in an abundant amount of rain for us for our Saturday afternoon, extending it rather Friday afternoon into Saturday evening with ranges of around an inch to near an inch and a half. So for sure going to be wet and windy for this upcoming Friday and Saturday. This is that second system I'm talking about coming in out of the central plains on Friday. This is the one that brings in the widespread rain, which could be heavy at times. This is Friday night, and then we'll still see it around for a good chunk of Saturday.
When we return, why Houghton residents waited